ClubExpress Document Library. Your document library allows you to organize unlimited PDFs, spreadsheets, presentations, and more, and control access by folder or at the individual document level. Folders can be visible to everyone, club members only, administrators, or specific committees. Organizations with subgroups have additional options depending on how the organization is configured. Organizations where all subgroups share a website can designate folders for specific subgroups. In organizations where each subgroup has a separate website, administrators at the parent level can designate folders to be visible on lower-level club websites using our content syndication feature. You can also tag documents for easy searching and allow members to comment on and rate documents. You can also use the document library to create and share links to documents anywhere on your website. Let's look at the document library from a few different perspectives before we discuss creating folders and managing documents. We're not logged in right now, and when we view the document library as a non-member, we see several folders and a search button. We can search documents by several fields, and the results only include documents visible to non-members. Some items are protected behind a login wall. We can see the document is available, but we'll need to sign in as a member to access it. Once we're signed in as a member, we can see the same folders plus a few new ones only visible to logged-in members. And we have the option to upload documents to some of the folders. Let's sign in as an administrator next. From here, we can navigate to the back end of the module by hovering over the flyout menu and clicking Edit, or navigating to the Control Panel. We'll click the Control Panel link and navigate to the Website tab to find the module. In the Website Modules section, click Document Library. Notice we can see more folders as an administrator. The Document Library Manager shows all top-level folders, with options to run reports and exports, approve member uploads, manage tags, and configure the module. We'll come back to those. First, let's add a new folder. We want to add a new top-level folder to let members upload ideas for our latest newsletter. Then, we'll look at folders we've already created to explore more options. Top-level folders are all created as a subfolder of the main top-level folder. Click Top-Level Folder and select Add Subfolder. Name the folder and add a description. Both of these will be visible on the user side. This folder will be a top-level folder, so we'll keep the subfolder selection. If we want to move the folder location in the future, we can return to the screen and make our changes. We have a few options for folder visibility. Let's discuss them briefly before we make our selection. Remember that individual documents in any folder can have stricter visibility settings than the folder, and subfolders can have stricter visibility than parent folders. All users means both members and non-members can see the folder and its documents. Remember, we can still upload individual documents to the folder which are visible to members or admins only. All users members only download means both members and non-members can see the folder and its contents, but only logged-in members can download documents. Selecting members only limits folder visibility only to logged-in members. Selecting committee will allow you to choose the specific committee that can view the folder. When you choose a committee, only logged-in members of the committee can access the folder and its contents. Admin only means that only website administrators can access the folder and its contents. In this case, we want the folder to be visible to members only, so we'll select that option. Next, we'll determine whether to allow member uploads to the folder. Our options are to allow member uploads without approval, allow uploads and require administrator approval, or only allow administrators or coordinators to upload documents. In this case, we'll allow uploads but with administrator approval. We'll keep the option to show the folder on the website checked so members can access the folder from the user side of the module. If we uncheck the box, the folder would only be visible from the administrative side. Last, we'll check the boxes to allow ratings and comments since we want to gather feedback from all our members on each uploaded submission. Before we save our changes, there are additional options organizations with subgroups have when creating folders. If your organization has subgroups and shares one website, you'll see an additional subgroup option in the visibility menu. When you select a subgroup, only members of that subgroup can see the folder. On the administrative side, subgroup administrators and module coordinators for the subgroup can also manage documents in that folder and add subfolders with admin permission. If your organization has subgroups and each subgroup has a separate website, the parent organization can share the folder with lower-level subgroups. Checking the box places the folder on the user side of the lower-level document library, along with any documents you add. Administrators of the lower-level website won't be able to edit the folder or its documents, and members of the lower-level site won't be able to upload documents. Finalize your settings, then click Save to save your changes and add the folder to your website. This folder got added to the end of our list. Let's move it to the top so members can easily find it. Click the top-level folder and select Subfolder Display Sequence. Then, use the arrows to rearrange the folders and click Save when you're finished. Now that we've seen how to add a folder, let's look at the settings of a few existing folders to explore more options. First, let's look at the committee folder for private notes and reports. We'll find the folder and click it, then select Edit Folder. This folder has been configured to be visible only to logged-in members who are also members of the committee we selected. And since only committee members can access the folder, we've allowed member uploads without administrator approval, so their uploaded documents are available immediately. Next, let's look at the folder for event resources. This folder isn't visible on the website. Instead, administrators use it to hold documents they link to in emails and event descriptions. This also means that only administrators or coordinators can upload documents to the folder from the administrative side of the module. Next, we'll explore documents. Remember, documents can be uploaded by an administrator or coordinator, or by members if you allow member uploads. Let's upload a document as a member to our folder for newsletter ideas. We're signed in as a member without administrative or coordinator access to the module, so we'll navigate to the document library from the menu. When we find the folder we want, we'll click the Upload button to upload our new document. Enter a title and description for the document. You can optionally add tags to the document to help members and non-members find them in searches. To learn more about tags across your website, check out our tutorial, Tags. Add an author and the date the document was created, then select the document from your device. Note the file size restrictions in the pop-up window. When members submit a document, they see a message notifying them that their document will be available once approved. Administrators and coordinators for the module also receive an email notifying them of the upload. While we're here, we'll also rate and comment on other submissions in the folder. Let's download a document first. To download and view a document, click the download icon. The document will download to your device, likely to a folder specified in your web browser settings. Now, let's rate and comment. We'll click the document on our club website, showing the document description, size, and other details. This document allows comments and ratings, so we see both options and an overall rating based on other member ratings. Click the appropriate star to rate the document. To leave a comment, type in the text box, then click Submit Comment. Let's sign in as an administrator next to see how to manage documents in an admin-only folder, upload revisions, and approve member uploads. First, let's review the documents requiring approval. On the Document Library Manager screen, click the Approvals icon to view and approve pending documents. Each document will include the member's name, document type, and options to edit, view, and reject the document. Click the View icon to view or download the document. Click the Edit icon to edit document details, for example, to update the folder the document belongs to or change the title. To approve one or more documents, select the checkbox next to the item and click Approve Selected Items. To reject an upload, click the Delete icon. Next, let's return to the Document Library Manager and add a document to a folder only visible on the administrative side of the website. Note that administrators and module coordinators can upload documents to all folders from the admin side of the module, not just folders visible to administrators only. Click the folder, then click View Documents. The Folder Documents screen allows you to add and manage the folder's contents. At the top of the screen, you'll see options to add one or multiple documents and change the display sequence. Documents in the folder are each listed with details including visibility, document type, ratings, and number of downloads. You can click the reset buttons for either the rating or number of downloads to reset the count. In the Maintain column, you can edit the document properties, view or download it, and delete the document. You can also view comments about the document in a pop-up window. The copy icon displays the document's unique link. You can copy this link to share with another organization or add the document to your website menu as an external link. You don't need to copy the link to share the document in a blast email or link to it on a custom page or event description. Click Add Document to add a new document. You'll see the same fields members see when uploading documents, plus options to change the folder for the document and choose a visibility setting. Fill in the appropriate fields, then click Save to add the document to the folder. Note that some fields cannot be edited when adding multiple documents simultaneously. For example, if you want to add a description, you'll need to edit the individual document to add it. Let's learn how to upload a new version of an existing document next. This is useful when you want to upload a new document version but don't want to redistribute the link via email or update the link on custom pages or in events. Let's upload a revised meeting agenda. We'll find the agenda and click the Edit icon to edit the document properties. Click the Update checkbox to select the updated file from your device. You'll have the option to retain the original file title or use the new file title. The file title differs from the document title and is only shown when the user downloads it to their device. Click Save to save your changes. Let's look at defaults we can set for the module. On the Document Library Manager screen, click Options. Your selections here will apply as default settings to all folders you create and the documents you add. Remember, these are default settings only, so you can still select different options when you create your folder. At the bottom, you'll see the option to allow custom tags on documents instead of choosing from a specific tag list you've created. Remember to watch our tutorial, Tags, for more information. Organizations with subgroups, where all subgroups share a website, will also see an option to allow subgroup administrators to add subfolders to their assigned top-level folders. If you check this option and want to utilize this feature, remember to add a top-level folder for that specific subgroup. Last, let's see how to link to a document or folder. You can link to documents in your document library using our link builder anywhere it appears on your website. We're using the link builder in a blast email. Choose Document as the link type. If you're linking to a specific document, you'll use the drop-down menu to find the folder. Then, use the next drop-down to select the specific document. If you want to link to the entire folder instead, select Link to Folder. So now you've learned how to add and manage folders, including folders for subgroups, plus how to manage documents on your website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.